Today we are going to discuss a case study of developing a smart canteen ordering management system. So we have to discuss this case study by using our design thinking approach. So we are going to use the full stack technology for developing this smart canteen ordering system. So let us start this discussion of how to develop this management system using full stack by our design thinking approach. So let me have a small discussion.
Okay, so now let us look at the problem statement. The thing is that in many colleges, the students are actually facing an issue with this long queue during this interval for ordering or collecting their food items. So that in order to solve these kind of issues, standing in the queue or this manual billing processes, we actually need a better approach. So our main problem statement is that we have to the thing is that the students are facing an issue with this queue system of canteens. So that's it. That's what our problem statement is.
So we have empathized that the students are facing the queue system. So anyone can define that?
In this tipping stage, the students have a problem of standing in the queue for a longer time. For example, if a student, a fourth year student, has only 10 minutes break, he wants to eat some food in the break time, but for a long queue, he cannot order the food, and many people are standing in the front of cash counter, unable to analyze the order details of the cash counter. So our target users are students, cash counter operators, and management staffs. And then we want from the Empathize and problem statement inside, we want a fast, mobile-friendly, cashless payment app.
So finally we have derived that we want a cash-friendly application. So can anyone tell what are the possible ideas for developing that?
Yeah, based on user needs, we have come across many problems and solutions. So main solution we have taken is that QR based menu, a web application for ordering and live tracking system. So our final proposed system is a web-based canteen ordering system. So key features include user login and admin login, menu, live order tracking, payment using UPI and other wallets. So the tech stack we have used is for frontend we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React, and for backend we have used Node.js and Express.js, and for database we have used MongoDB, and we are also trying to integrate UPI and other wallets for payment facilities.
Okay, how this can be implemented?
So the prototype part will be converting our problem into a solution. So in the front end we will be creating a responsive UI for mobile and desktop with menu cards for images and pricings. After that, for the backend we will be going with REST API for orderings and etc. For database for storing the orders, and for the architecture flow will be the user will be coming from the front end. After that, when the user orders in the front end, will be go to the back end. After that, the REST API will do the process, which will be stored in the database, and we will be having an admin dashboard where the user, where the admin can see the order status, and he can do updates, order updates, anything, etc. So the model will be designed for user-friendly, scalable.
So how to test this?
In testing stage, we can validate our system test scenarios like user login validation, order placement, payment success and failure, admin order updates, and by this project we can reduce the order time by 60%, and no manual bill error. No manual bill error occurrence, and we can improve user satisfaction by this project application. This project is used in colleges, hospital, and food courts, In future, we can improve this project by AI-based food recommendation, mobile app, etc.
So in future you can also implement it as mobile based. So final conclusion is that by using our stage by stage identification, that is first we have empathized what is the problem of the students. So for that we had he had given many ideas. So from that we had developed an application as a solution, and you have just discussed about how to develop that prototype. I think this will be the best solution for implementing this in order to solve the issues of the students. So thank you all for this case study discussion, and this is very helpful for developing this smart canteen management system in future. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.